Baby doll.
No.
Baby.
Grandpa's gonna help you.
Baby.
You can't do it yet, baby.
She wants to eat the grass.
You gotta have some grass. Yeah, you gotta have
Now
grass.
hold on with both hands now.
Where they can eat some and run around, you can do it by yourself, Emma, okay? No, Grandma did not say you can do it by yourself yet. Grandma said
Yeah,
that
hold by
once they
yourself.
eat some and stuff, then you can do it by yourself. They need to be able to do their own thing.
Mama, can you run up to the house and go get my lead rope?
You got a lead rope, baby doll.
Right there. We're going to let Oscar out. He's having a fit. Poor little Oscar. He's falling in love with him. All they want to do is eat. Should we let them out for a little bit and see what they do? That's what they need to be let out.
What do you think, Grandpa?
They got to be let loose. He hadn't done it because it's not. He didn't want anything to happen. He doesn't want anything to happen to him, and that's understandable.
Well, I don't want nothing to happen to him
I
either.
don't think that they should, but I think for a little bit it wouldn't hurt. Right, Izzy? Izzy girl. Izzy girl's so happy. Oh, I think all they're going to do is eat. I think it's, yeah.